In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Shopify store on PC, and trust me, it's very easy. Whether you're ready to close your online business or simply want to ensure you're not billed beyond a trial period, I'll walk you through each step, making the process as smooth as possible so you can move forward with confidence. Let's begin by going to your Shopify store homepage. It's the central hub where you manage everything related to your store. You'll want to log in with your credentials and then direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. There you'll see the settings option. Give it a click, as this is where all the magic happens for store configuration and management. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the plan option. This section is crucial because it governs the subscription and billing details of your Shopify store. Clicking on it opens up an overview of your current plan, whether that's a paid subscription or a trial version. Now, to initiate the process of deleting your store, you'll spot an option that reads Cancel Trial. Click on it. This is a vital step in ensuring that you won't be charged going forward. After selecting Cancel Trial, you'll need to tick a little checkbox. This is usually an acknowledgement step where you confirm that you understand the implications of canceling your Shopify store. Make sure you read the text next to the box if there's any fine print or important info about what this change means. Moving on, the next task is to click the Continue button that appears. It's a straightforward action, but it signifies a significant step toward finalizing the cancellation of your store. You're almost there, so hang tight. Next comes the part where Shopify will ask you to select a reason for cancellation. This is essentially for their record keeping and to better understand why merchants might be leaving. Just select the applicable reason from the drop-down or list provided, and then you're ready to proceed to more or less the final step. Click on Continue again. As we complete this step, you're effectively confirming your intention to close the store and proceed with the cancellation. Finally, you will finish up by clicking one last time on Cancel Trial. This brings the process to a completion, effectively closing your store and ensuring no further charges are incurred on your account. Remember to back up any important information or data beforehand, just in case you wish to revisit it in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Shopify store on your PC. Remember, while this process is straightforward, take your time with each step to ensure everything is as you wish. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your next endeavor.